In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove hyperlinks all at once here in Google Sheets. So if you're working on a set of data where you can see your hyperlinks and you just want to remove them, some of these obviously have some hyperlinks, but actually all of these cells on this column right here have hyperlinks. Normally, to remove your links or hyperlinks, what you would do would be to select that cell, then wait for this to appear, and select Remove Link right here. And you've successfully removed that link. But if you're trying to remove links, hyperlinks, from a big set of data like this one, what you're going to do instead would be to select that range. Here we go. I've selected the entire range. So again, all of these have hyperlinks inserted in them. And to remove those, I'm going to right-click, then go to the bottom and select View Cell More Actions. On the right, we have these options. And to remove that link, we're going to select this one right here. If we click on it, we now have successfully removed all the links that have been inserted in each of these cells right here. And there you have it. So one more time, we just have to select the range where all those links are located. So I'm going to select that, drag it all the way down here. There we go. Right click, go to the bottom and select View More Cell Actions and select Remove Link right here. Click on it. And there you have it. We have now removed all the links or hyperlinks that have been inserted in this range right here. And there you have it. We have successfully removed hyperlinks from this range all at once here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.